Hello, everyone. Welcome to Speak Mode English Podcast. My name is Maggie.
And I'm John.
This podcast is for beginners. If you are just starting to learn English, you are in the right place.
Yes, we will speak slowly and use simple words. It will be fun.
Today, we will talk about emotions in English. How do you feel, John?
I feel happy.
That's great. We will learn how to say different emotions in English, like happy, sad, and angry. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start by learning some words for emotions. I will say the word, and you say it after me. Ready?
Ready?
The first word is happy.
Happy.
Great. Now, the next word is sad.
Sad.
Good job. Next is angry.
Angry.
Very good. Now let's try excited.
Excited.
Perfect. And the next word is tired.
Tired.
Nice. Let's practice these words again. I will say the word and you repeat after me. Ready?
Yes.
Happy,
Happy.
sad,
Sad.
angry,
Angry.
excited,
Excited.
tired.
Tired.
Great job! These are 5 important words to talk about emotions. Now, let's practice using these words in sentences. When you talk about emotions in English, you can say, I feel blank.
Oh, like I feel happy.
Yes, exactly. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence, and you repeat after me.
Okay.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
Great. Now let's try I feel sad.
I feel sad.
Very good. Let's practice I feel angry.
I feel angry.
Excellent. Now I feel excited.
I feel excited.
Good job. And one more. I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Well done. Now let's do a quick review. I will say the sentence and you repeat it. Ready?
Yes,
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel angry.
I feel angry.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
Awesome! You are doing a great job, John.
Thank you, Maggie. This is fun.
Now, let's practice some more emotions. I will teach you a few more words. Listen and repeat after me.
Okay.
Surprised.
Surprised.
Good. Now, bored.
Bored.
Nice. How about nervous?
Nervous.
Great. And let's try relaxed.
Relaxed.
Perfect. Let's use these words in sentences too. I will say a sentence and you repeat after me.
Okay.
I feel surprised.
I feel surprised.
I feel bored.
I feel bored.
I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Great job! Now let's do a quick review of these new words. Ready?
Yes.
Surprised,
Surprised.
bored,
Bored.
nervous,
Nervous.
relaxed.
Relaxed.
Perfect! You are learning so fast. Let's practice a little conversation. I will ask you some questions and you answer with your emotions. Ready?
Yes, let's do it.
How do you feel today, John?
I feel happy.
That's great. Why do you feel happy?
I feel happy because I'm learning English.
That's wonderful. I feel excited to hear that. What about yesterday? How did you feel yesterday?
Yesterday, I felt tired.
Oh, I see. Why did you feel tired?
I felt tired because I worked all day.
That's okay. You can rest now. How about tomorrow? How do you think you will feel tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I think I will feel excited.
That sounds good. I think I will feel excited too.
Yes, we will be excited to learn more English.
Exactly. Let's review what we learned today.
Okay.
First, we learned emotions like happy, sad, angry, excited, and tired.
Yes, and we use them in sentences like, I feel happy.
That's right. We also learned some new emotions like surprised, bored, nervous, and relaxed.
Yes, I remember.
Great. Now let's quickly review some sentences. Repeat after me.
Okay.
I feel happy.
I feel happy.
I feel sad.
I feel sad.
I feel angry.
I feel angry.
I feel excited.
I feel excited.
I feel tired.
I feel tired.
I feel surprised.
I feel surprised.
I feel bored.
I feel bored.
I feel nervous.
I feel nervous.
I feel relaxed.
I feel relaxed.
Well done, John. You did a great job today.
Thank you, Maggie. I feel happy because I learned a lot.
I'm so glad. Keep practicing and you will continue to improve. Thank you for listening to our podcast today.
We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
Don't forget to practice every day. The more you practice, the better you will get at English.
Yes, and if you like this podcast, please like and subscribe for more fun lessons.
We'll see you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.